Hey guys, welcome to the video. This week's video will be a late BarkBox video. I was gone away camping and now I'm finally back and I filmed it. Sorry it's late, but this is the July's BarkBox. The theme for July's is World Champions. I had to think there. Also, I filmed it outside a little bit, and I regret filming it outside. It was majorly hot that day. But, yeah, without further ado, let's get to the video. Oh, wait, sorry. Before I forget, if you guys are new to the channel, welcome. I'm Crystal, and I do videos on Angel, my cat, and Buddy, my other cat, and Buster, my dog, and sometimes my sister's dog, my friend's dog, my cousin's dog, so you might see more of them in the future, and other things that I'm doing with dog related videos, or cats maybe. But yeah, that's a little bit about us. Buster does agility, and I will be having more agility videos for you coming soon. I just got some of the parts for the jump bar and the weave pools. So yeah. Also, if you want to know more about BarkBox, it's a subscription I get for a month. I got, oh, sorry about that. Jeez. I got it the 1 month subscription. You can get 1 month, 3 months, 6 months. And I got it since April anyways, and I like it, so I'm getting it every month. There's medium, large, and small. They got different names for it. I'll put more about it in the description below. So, yeah. Let's get to the video.
Decided to do it outside today. Sorry about bugs, air conditioning. Buster's gone now, but we got BarkBox. So let's get started. First we have this. She is called Buster. I vanilla, not Bala, and it pulls on each end. Here. That's what she looks like. Isn't she cute? Okay, here. She wants. Then we have this is a torch. It crinkles. You guys hear? It crinkles, which is cool. Then we have this is the deer chew. The deer chew. We're not gonna get this yet. We can't have it yet. I guess you can have it. Okay, sit. Then we have Cleo's All Natural Cricket. Hey, sit down. This. Close up. It's corn-free, egg-free, and 100% grain-free, all natural, which is cool. Then we have Golden Medal Dog Snacks, lamb and cheese flavor. I'll go close up. This is cool. We'll try them in a minute. By the way, I didn't actually, I forgot. Okay. Oh, look, we got a medal. This Barks theme box is world, it's champions. Sorry, champions. You got a medal. Okay, wait. It just wants that deer thing. I'm not sure. I forgot. But look at this is the packaging. Oops. I dropped it, but this is the packaging. Can you see here? Okay, it's cute. Hold on. I'll show you everything in a minute. Wait. Oh, you broke it in half. Alright.
Can I have that so I can give you one? You want me to open that? He really wants that one. Okay, 1 second, guys. Crazy dog. Here's one of Buster's toys. You want it? Here you go. So cute. You gonna play with it? Ooh, he likes it. Gotta bring that back in though. Good boy. Oh, good job. Okay, this one we're gonna try is the cheddar and sit and the lamb. It's so cute. It's got a popper and everything. Aww. Okay, you want this one? Ooh, I think he likes. Yeah. Okay. And this one is the star-shaped one. The other one with, oh my goodness, I can't remember. But you'll know. It's cute. It's got a star shape. Sit. Down. Good job. Wow, he likes it. Good job, Buster.